Jerusalem, Pipiriki, the bridge to nowhere. Okay. Legend says lonely Mount Ruapehu was gifted by Whanganui, the Sky Father, 2 teardrops to flow from his feet, one being the Whanganui River. Ruapehu was still lonely, so Whanganui created companions of his own kind, the mountain clan. Tongariro, the warrior guardian, Taranaki, the custodian of the clan, and Ngārohoi, servant to the mountain. Tongariro became the guardian of the Whanganui River and Ruapehu the guardian of the second teardrop. Lastly, Pihanga, a beautiful maiden, was given in marriage to Tongariro. However, Pihanga was tempted by Taranaki, causing Tongariro to explode in anger. Ruapehu told Taranaki to leave the area. So Taranaki left his teardrop in the form of the Whanganui River and settled northward. You can see Taranaki looking toward the mountain clan that he left behind in the centre of the island. Oh, it's cool. I don't know what paru means. Don't be paru. Keep our awa clean. There's the Atene Skyline track. We attempted once. It's too hot that day. Gave up. Where are we? Where are we? What's it called? Tunnel? Culvert Tunnel. There you go. Culvert Tunnel. Cool. Culvert. So it was. Great big long walk in there it was. 5 minutes. It was just there. It was just there. Just around the corner. It wasn't fun. But it was lovely. Just lovely. The 290-kilometre Whanganui River was central to the lives of people along the banks of the river. The river provided them with food, water, medicine, and acted as a spiritual mentor. Maori considered the river to be the memory of the past and the prophet of the future, the main highway of their lives. A local Maori proverb says, "The river flows from the mountains to the sea. I am the river, and the river is me." Annette's house. The ex-mayor of Whanganui, Annette Main. In 2017, the Whanganui River became the first waterway in the world to get legal personhood. It's the third longest river in New Zealand. It can now be represented in court and has 2 guardians to speak on its behalf. Other countries have followed Whanganui's example. 2 rivers in India have been declared legal entities, and Bangladesh gave all its rivers legal rights. There's a movie called The River Queen, made up this Whanganui River. This was what it was, just this fake boat. Well, I'll be. Kawana flour mill and water wheel in 1854. The mill was originally named Kawana Kere, Governor George Grey, in honour of the governor who donated millstones. Most flour mills weren't successful in New Zealand, but Whanganui's ones were more so. Built in 1854 at Matahiwi, the mill lasted until 1913, when it was abandoned. Restoration began in the mid-1970s, and in October 1980, another Kawana, Governor General Sir Keith Holyoake, reopened the restored mill. Whanganui before they brought the H in. Flour mill. Jerusalem. Whoops, that's my fingers, you dummy. Gorgeous church. Gorgeous dead sheep. Isn't it neat? Beautiful day, beautiful river, beautiful drive up the river road. going to turn? Oh, okay. Come on, can you come in? Hello? What you gonna do, kitty cat? Stay there? Don't have to remove our shoes here. Oh, wow. There you go. Oh, that's too bright. Look at that, eh? How's about it? Inside that Jerusalem church. Oh, too bright. Huh. Impressive. Can't see inside. Fine. Go back down to the car. Rain's coming in. There's that waterfall over there. Okay. Oh, it is. It's a rainbow. Oh, how lovely. Very faint rainbow. We need a bit more sun.